So in the previous video with the BRZ, we installed the MXP Comp RS catback. Upon installing it, it was too quiet for my liking. So with that being said, we had to do a few changes. Now these two right here should do the trick for this car. If you guys saw the previous video, we installed the MXP Comp RS catback exhaust on the 2022 BRZ. If you guys watched it, you know it's super quiet. It's just not for me, honestly. If you guys have been following the channel, this car right here, the first gen FRS, is super loud. Yeah, down right there we have the Tomei unequal length catless headers as well for this car. The catless front pipe as well. And moving on to the back, we got the Greddy RS single exit catback on the car. I'll go ahead and put a clip in right here of what this car sounds like. It's crazy obnoxious. As you guys heard, it's super loud and very rumbly. It has that nice Subaru rumble. So we just had to do it for the new BRZ right here. We have the same exact headers. We have a Tomei and equal length setup that are catless as well. And we found a catless front pipe. So these two right here is definitely gonna make this car super loud. A fully catless setup, literally, paired with the new MXP Comp catback that we just threw on. This car should have a very nice Subaru rumble after today. There's no way, dude. Alright, finally took off the stock header. Here it is. This thing is so heavy. So we finally got the headers and the stock front pipe out. Had to take off the little heat shields. I was having trouble fitting like a wrench by the bolts and stuff, but just swapped over the O2 sensors to the Tomei ones. I got a little side-by-side comparison. I know this one has a whole bunch of heat shields, but these obviously do have the cats and these do not, as you can see. Also with the front pipe, as you can see, the stock one has a huge cat right here and a resonator as well. And then the one we're putting on the car has nothing whatsoever. No resonators or no cats. Something very weird happened when I took off the stock header. One of the studs from the head actually came out with it. I don't know how, because the nut that was on the stud was loose already. I'm not too sure. I'm probably just gonna thread it in as much as I can and then just put the nut back on, but I don't know, it's super weird. It's actually super cold here right now, so I feel like this car is gonna be so loud when we start it up. But yeah, we're losing daylight. Let's go ahead and throw these on the car real quick and we'll see how it sounds. So some hours have gone by. I've been having a lot of trouble with one of the nuts on the header. I know you have to use like some type of like joint socket. I'm having a lot of trouble with that, but we got all the stuff on. Man, it's so cold and dark out here, but we got the headers all bolted up to the overpipe, and then to the new catless front pipe right there. This stuff is such a pain. This heat wrap, like I am so itchy right now. It's all up in my nose, all in my mouth, and it just sucks. It's just terrible. I'm just so itchy right now, but we're all done. I'm probably not gonna start it until tomorrow because it is like really late right now and it's really cold and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna pick this thing up back tomorrow when it's on the ground and ready to go. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, so it is the next day. The catless header and the catless front pipe install is now officially complete. Take a little peek under the hood. We plugged in the O2 sensors, and as you can see down there, we have the Tomei unequal length headers installed. Now excuse me if I sound a little bit nasally, a little bit under the weather today. I have really bad seasonal allergies, so I've been sneezing like all day. But anyways, it is actually very cold today, so we're gonna go ahead and roll the BRZ outside a little bit and we'll see how this thing sounds. That sounds so good. Oh, we're gonna take it on a drive right now, but dude, that startup was insane. It sounds so good. I still can't get over that cold start. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to drive this thing right now. It sounds so crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. It's such a big difference from just the catback. Yo. Sounds so good. I noticed it's not obnoxious at all. It's not like the FRS. It's like a very tame, nice Subaru Rumble. Like it's nothing like ridiculously obnoxious. It's so clean. I'm like expecting a check engine light anytime because obviously the car's not tuned. Such a clean rumble. Oh my gosh. Oh, it sounds so good. The downshifts are so crispy now. Oh, it sounds. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. This is so freaking crispy, dude. I'm hyped, bro. This catback exhaust needed a set of unequal length headers so bad. You guys saw how quiet it was with just the exhaust, but once we throw on the headers and the front pipe, game changer. This car sounds so good. Like literally a different car. It's not obnoxious, especially from the inside. It's just a very clean sound. Oh, freaking pop. Guys, I am so amazed right now. This car sounds absolutely beautiful with the headers, front pipe, and the MXP Comp RS that we installed in the previous video. What do you guys think down in the comment section below? Would you guys run this setup, or would you want something more louder, or is this too loud? Curious to see what you guys think down below. Just on this like 5-minute drive here, it just made driving this car so fun. Made it out to a nice little secluded area. We're gonna get some revs right now of the car and see what it sounds like in different RPMs. Paired with the new MXP Comp, dude. Oh, always knew that I was gonna run. Always had in mind that I was gonna run in a. Dude, I cannot talk right now, bro.
It's a video?
Dude, are you kidding me?
Damn, those headers look good.
Bro, that's squeaky clean, bro.
Those shits look clean.
Look at this cover.
Hey, bro, mine are fucking brown.
Dookie brown?
The Dukage.
Bro, the stud came out.
The stud came out?
Yeah. Alright, so we finally.
Oh, he did.
Also, something weird very happened when I took the header off.
Very
I said that?
You said something weird very happened?
No way. I said that?
You're supposed to say something very weird, right?
Oh my. Something weird very. Bro, I'm gonna make a blooper section for this video.
This one's a perfect one, bro. You have so many.
Oh gosh. It's because I'm hungry, dude. This happens all the time when I don't eat. Something weird. So something
very weird. Not something weird
Oh,
very
okay. Something very weird happened when I took off the stock header.